Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at this BedRug drop-in bed mat for the Ford Ranger. We're going to show you how simple it is to get one of these installed and also just talk about a few of the specs and features of this mat. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So when it comes to installing one of these bed mats, it's actually really simple, and you can see that they're already cut to the shape of the Ranger bed, so you don't really have to modify anything there. It's mostly a matter of sticking it down. So they provide you with some Velcro strips, and it has some adhesive on the back. And the first thing you're going to want to do is pull the mat up, and you'll see that there's some Velcro sewn into the back on the foam down here. So what we're going to do is take our strip and leave the cover on the adhesive on the back, and just go ahead and attach the Velcro part of it first. There we go. Now with that attached, this is gonna sit on kind of the ribbing in the bed. So the next thing we're gonna wanna do is take one of these little cleaning pads that comes in the kit, and we're gonna use this to wipe down the bed, make sure that's nice and clean so we get a good bond. We'll peel this off and then stick it down. Now that we've got this rib wiped down and clean, we'll go ahead and peel off the backing for the adhesive and push the mat over the top. And then we can put some pressure down here from the top of the mat. Just make sure that that adhesive bonds to the bed to hold it down. All right, so that's one side. We're gonna do the same thing on this side, and then we'll work on the tailgate. Good, too good. With the main portion of the BedRug Velcroed down in the bed, now all we have to do is worry about the tailgate part of the mat. And you'll see that this also has some Velcro strips sewn into it, just like the bed did. And then we've got some little tabs here that we're gonna pull apart, and these are adhesive Velcro, just like the previous step. So all we're gonna do is space these out evenly along the Velcro strips. We'll peel off the adhesive and wipe it down, and then we can stick this in place. All right guys, so as you can see, the install is just as simple as that. We've got it laid in, it's all attached now with the Velcro. And the nice thing is, because it's Velcro install, you can actually just pull this back up and remove it. And so that way, if you need to pull it out to clean it, or you need access to the actual base of your bed, you can get to it and then simply reinstall this thing by pushing it back onto those strips. Now, this isn't the first BedRug we've ever installed or ran in our project vehicles, and we've actually done a couple of these in F-150s and some other trucks in the past, and so I can say from experience that these are a pretty nice upgrade, and we've been impressed with how durable they are. This uses a 3/4 inch thick foam that's weather resistant and has this kind of carpet texture over the top, and this is also UV and fade resistant, so it's designed to work in a truck bed outdoors for whatever kind of purpose you may need. Now, we've used ours for everything from camping gear to hauling camera equipment, or also using it to move furniture or whatever else. It's great for all those applications, but it'll also hold up if you need to throw some rocks back here or firewood or something like that, and you're using it to haul more rough materials. And this can just simply be vacuumed or hosed off as you need it. With all that being said, I think for some people there may still be a need to have specifically a spray and liner or a rubber mat depending on how you use your truck, but if you are somebody that camps a lot or tailgates or uses your bed where you're spending more time actually sitting in it, something like this can be a nice upgrade because this carpet isn't going to get hot in the sun or heat up and burn you, and it also is cushioned, so it's a little bit more comfortable to sit on or lay on depending on how you use your truck. So that's going to be a wrap on this BedRug install and overview. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you head down below and hit subscribe. And while you're down there, we'll have some links in the description that you can click to check these out if you want to pick up a BedRug for your truck. And I'll see you guys next time.